Here's the #1 thing you need to review when deciding which platform to use for your Forex trading. Everything short of this video is for educational purposes only. The #1 thing you need to review before choosing a Forex broker is regulations. Regulations is one of the major securities of you to know that your money are secured in any platform you may choose. One of the brokers I am using is Prime and is licensed and regulated by multiple international financial authorities. That way ensures your trading is secure, transparent, and compliant. The more regulations they have, the better. And also it's important from where they are regulated. For example, you can see here, Prime is regulated #1 from the Financial Services Authority in Seychelles, is regulated by the Financial Services Commission in Mauritius, and is regulated also from the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa. And especially if you're trading in Forex market, regulations is important. Now, what is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange, or in other words, Forex market, is the global marketplace where currencies are exchanged for trade, travel, investing, and cross-border businesses. We are talking about a market with a turnover of $7.5 trillion daily. And basically you are doing contracts for difference. So you're accessing through leverage products currency pairs. For example, euro against US dollar. And it allows you to speculate on the rise or fall of the price of that specific currency pair without the need of owning that specific underlying asset. In this example, euro against US dollar. That way it increases both potential returns, but of course, potential losses. That's why it's very important to have always a system which objectively tells you how and when to trade or not to trade, and a reliable broker in order to apply that system with the proper risk management. When you click the link down in the description, you create your account and log in. This is what you will see first. On the left side, choose the option promotions. And when you click promotions, it will load you to all the promotions page. You click the first promotion of the 100% deposit, and it will give you all the rules. You will go on the top right side, which says deposit now. You click that button. And when you click the deposit now button, it will load you the page to make your first deposit. And basically from your first deposit, you can get $1,000 bonus maximum, 100% of your deposit. And then from every deposit after that, you get a 20% bonus with a maximum of $9,000 deposit bonus, which basically it helps you to have a higher trading power right from the start. And a great thing about Prime is their WebTrader. You get your deposit, you have a higher trading power, and you have the WebTrader where you can have on the left side all the pairs you want in financial markets. You can do your technical analysis with all the technical analysis tools that you may need, like support, resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci levels. And on the right side, you have the dashboard where you can take a position, put your lot size, your stop loss, take profit, and confirm your position. And then on the bottom, you will be able to see all your open positions, pending positions, and position history.